What is up, you guys? It's your boy Gardner coming at you with another vlog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I did not expect this, but this is going to be another unboxing. And since you guys liked my transition last time with my unboxing of an iPad Pro, and if you guys haven't watched that video yet, I will be linking that vlog here or here, and also in the description. So if you guys want to know what we are going to be unboxing today, then it's going to be here in 3, 2, 1. So this is a bag from Coach. So galing to kay Sean. Gift niya daw sa akin. So wait lang. So thank you tayo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Siya ang sponsor ng bag na to. Thank you.
No problem.
Actually, kwento lang. I really did not expect this. Kasi we were just hanging out today. Tapos pag uwi ng mother ko, dala-dala daw niya to. Kasi umorder sila ng madaming Coach. So umorder din si Sean. Tapos ako, I was not expecting anything kasi wala naman akong like in-order na bag or anything. Tapos bigla na lang sabi sa akin, "This is yours. Gift ko sa'yo," sabi ni Sean. And then I was like so shocked. What was that? Disclaimer lang, I am doing this video kasi I just want to share my excitement as well. Kasi, you know guys naman, minsan na lang naman tayo magkaroon ng Coach na bag. So, might as well make the most out of it. So, if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Gardner. I am a Filipino, used to be travel vlogger, but now I am just doing some lifestyle and college vlogs during this uncertainty of the pandemic. So, without further ado, let's get to this video. So, for this video, we are going to unbox this Coach bag, and then also I am going to share with you guys some of my Coach collections as well, kasi yun lang naman yung mga luxury bags ko. Lahat naman ng mga gifts lang, gift ni Sean, gift ng parents ko. So, thank you sa mga sponsor ko dyan. Kasi wala naman akong pera pambili ng ganito. Ano pang mauna? Pakita ko yung ibang Coach ko or this one? Sige, unahin mo natin yung ibang bags ko na Coach. I already showed this in my what's in my bag vlog. This is also a Coach. This is from US naman. This is a backpack. So yan, 2 zippers. Yan. And then also yung Coach na tag. For school purposes talaga siya. So this is what I use when I am in school. Tapos when it's kind of a fashion naman, I use this bag. I know it's kind of a quirky bag because of its design, pero it works. If you want this to be like a breaker of your outfit, if you are wearing a very simple outfit, this really works. So this is a like body bag, messenger type of bag. Let's get unboxing. So pag open natin, we will have this one. Yeah. I don't really know what I'm doing kasi sobrang out of nowhere ng vlog na to. So, yeah. Open natin. So, it's a... Wow. So, this is a... You know what guys, I can't tell you what they really call this bag. All I know is it's a body bag. Yung may tawag doon. If you guys know what kind of bag this is, comment it down below kasi I really have no idea. Buksan na natin siya. Whew. Oh my gosh. Wow. So let's open this. Pamay na lang po sa mga buyers dyan. Pa-steal, pamay na lang. Bebenta pala. So ayan, syempre, ang daming ganito, ang daming basura. Kailangan ba tinatago to? Baka may bayad din to eh. Ito pang magic na to eh. Magic na laman. Never ending. Ayan, okay na. So nice. Grabe. So, ayun. May ganito siya. So there is a like a letter. I'll try to read it. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. In 1941, the year Coach was founded in a New York City loft. Never to part." Signed, Mike Tucci or Mike Tuki. I don't even know. President, Coach Retail. So, baka may bayad din tong letter na to. So, tago natin ito mabuti. What are really like about this bag is the strap. Ang cute ng strap niya. Tapos with the brown leather, sobrang ganda. So let's try wearing it. Wow! To be really honest, guys, I am really skeptical about buying a body bag. Although I didn't really buy this is just a gift. I am really skeptical about buying a body bag because I don't really know how to style it. This is a really challenging piece for me kasi I don't know, it just para sa akin nahihirapan akong i-style yung mga ganitong klaseng bag. So I will try to show you guys a quick outfit with this bag in 3, 2, I have a new Coach bag. So ayan, tanggalin na natin tong parang siyang styrofoam na ewan. Of course, hindi ko mapapakita kasi yung light ko nandito, pero siguro pa pwede ko na rin itong gamitin na sa bag to. Naman, bayad din naman to, diba? So, in this bag, meron siyang front pocket, a zipper, tapos meron siyang parang small pocket with a parang lock inside. Usually sa Coach, yun nga, yung parang may seal na I can't show it to you guys. Ayan. Kasi yung ganito niya, meron din siya yung ganyang Coach. May serial number. Is that serial number? I think that's a serial number. May serial number siya sa ilalim. And then, a pocket sa likod. So, I think that will be all for this very short vlog. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click that like button, share this video with your friends, put your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, kung meron kayong suggestion kung how can I style this bag, this kind of bag. Also, if you want to share your luxury bag experience, then please don't hesitate to comment it down below kasi I am really as excited as you are, I swear. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine. Coming up. Bye!